Hey guys, welcome back to Bonsai Crazy. Now, have you ever wanted to make a bonsai table? Well, I have, and that's what we're going to be making today. I've got two absolutely beautiful pieces of wood. There is a slight problem. There are holes in it, so we're going to have to deal with that. But as you can see, there are a couple of stunning pieces of wood. Really, really nice. So along with a stick, we are going to make a table for a Cascade bonsai tree. Let's get on with it. So the first thing we're going to do is the holes I was talking about. We're going to open them up and not make them look so round. I want it to look a bit more like it's a knot in the piece of wood.
Yeah, I'm nervous on the surface, I look fine. My brain feels heavy, my traumatized mind. And I'm so tired, I can't feel my eyes. Whoa, whoa. I'm petty, but I know how to lie. I feel feelings that I can't describe. I'm not breathing, but I'm still alive. Whoa, whoa. But I think I'll be alright, 'cause I'm not giving up, I'm not giving up yet. I feel that it's my time, so I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. So I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. Why do I still have hope? So many days have passed. I wait around for things to change, but change has not come fast. I'm asking all the questions, but then I question them. Like, what's the point of living, existing when you can't see your God in flesh? I'm looking for the answers, they say to pray instead. I think I'll find them one day, but with a helping hand. I know that it's not easy, but I believe I will. Yeah, I'll get over all my fears and really conquer everything. I think I'll be alright, 'cause I'm not giving up, I'm not giving up yet. I feel that it's my time, so I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. So I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got.
my best. I'm here when you need my best. I'm here when you need my best. I'm here when you need my best. Sweet, 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 when you need my best. I'm here when you need my best. I'm here when you need my best. I'm here when you need my best. Sweet, 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 something in the air. I know you want me. Something in the air. I know you want me. Something in the air. I know you want me.
So there you go, guys. There's just me making a table quickly. I don't see a very big tree on here, but I do see a Cascade. It should hold it, it should balance it out all right. I don't see a big, very big tree, but just a little tree coming down like that would be perfect. And then maybe on the end there you could put a accent plant down the bottom there. But as ever, guys, hit that like button and I'll see you all next time, guys. Cheers. Ta-da.